Hey guys, this is just an introductory video. This is your goddess, V.Beauty, the goddess of healing beauty, aka Veronica McCormack. Make sure you subscribe. Make sure you stay tuned, locked in. Oh my God, we have so many amazing things. You don't want to miss out. I mean, if you're all about healthy hair, if you're all about learning how to connect health and wellness through beauty, okay, through the health of the hair, this is the channel. I mean, I'm going to be bringing something so different, you know. Yeah, it's going to be some how-to videos. It's going to be a little bit of this, it's going to be a little bit of that, but it's going to be in skits where you guys are, you're going to laugh, you know, you're going to cry, you're going to just feel like you are drawn in, you're going to want that experience. We're going to be doing some things that you have not seen before. And I mean, with aromatherapy, with just, you know, cranial massage, I'm just telling you, you guys don't want to not subscribe. Please, when you see what I'm going to bring, and make sure you share and you subscribe, share and subscribe, show your girl some love, okay? Because I'm telling you, it's going to be amazing. 2019, we're kicking off with a bang. Alright, so if you want to evolve, if you want to level up in this business, this information that I'm bringing to you, you definitely don't want to miss out. So stay locked in, stay in tune. This is your goddess, V.Beauty, the goddess of healing beauty. And make sure you subscribe, make sure you comment, make sure you let me know the things that you want to see, because I am definitely going to deliver. You got it. Alright. Make sure you stay locked in, subscribe, and comment. And go follow the social handles, which will be located at the bottom of the screen. Peace, love, and light. This is your girl, V.Beauty, the goddess of healing beauty.